Okay, get ready with your English book, maths book and science book, please. And open your Term 2 textbook. Please open, children. Term 2 textbook open, English. Page 18. Open page 18, English. English. Open. So today I am going to teach you a lesson in English of lesson 2. Term 2, lesson 2. Already lesson 1 we have completed before. So that we are going into lesson 2. Okay. Children, do you know what is our today's lesson? See, the grasshopper and the ant. The grasshopper and the ant. See, do you know the ant? Small ants will be in red in color, will be black in color, isn't it? At your house, ants will be there. Okay. You throw some food particles down on the floor, then what will happen? Ants will come and prepare their food like that and take away the food. And also grasshopper. Do you know the grasshopper, children? Grasshopper is an insect and it is green in color. And it is green in color. It stays mostly on the grass where it is bushy. And also it's an insect. And today our lesson was the grasshopper and the ant. See, in this lesson, what will be going on? We'll watch. See, in this lesson, the grasshopper was very lazy. Very lazy. Lazy means what? Not caring at all. Okay. Just not doing any work and sitting lazily. See, if you be lazy in the class, your teacher may say, what happened? What, you are very lazy? You won't write, you won't read? Why you are very lazy? Why you don't hard work here? So that the teachers may question you. Like that, in this lesson, the grasshopper was very lazy. Lazy means didn't do any work. It won't do any work. It's very careless, very lazy. So, he enjoyed when it was time to work. Grasshopper was always enjoys. Whenever the work is there, it will just enjoy. It won't do any work. But then he learned a lesson. He learned a lesson. By this Cordova class, we learned this lesson. The grasshopper was lazy and without doing any work, just it undergoes the lesson. One lesson will be there. For you also it will be applicable, not only for the grasshopper and all. See, these stories will be because of you only, children. You learn good morals from these stories. Okay. See, some children will be so lazy in the class. They won't read and write. They won't read at all. They won't write at all. Do they reach their goal after growing big? No. They won't reach their goal at all. They'll be lazy until grow long, isn't it? So like that, you should not be lazy. First of all, you have to do hard work. Hard work reaps. Okay, you have to do hard work so that you shouldn't be lazy even in the class, at home, everywhere. You have to do hard work. Then only success will come to you. Okay. See, today we are learning a lesson about the grasshopper and the ant. See, once take out your textbook, page number 18. Once take out, children. Open page number 18, children, in the textbook. Term 2, lesson 2. Open. See, take your pencil and eraser with you. While I am reading the lesson or explaining a lesson, listen to that. Okay, see, one see. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. How this grasshopper was lazy, very lazy, very lazy. What is this condition of this grasshopper? It was very lazy. Why it was lazy? It doesn't have the interest to work at all. Okay. Whenever we want to do a hard work, we have to do. We should not be lazy. Okay. Listen. All day long, he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. See, warm sunshine. Sun will be giving the shine to us, isn't it? The warm sunshine day long. This grasshopper want to sing a song. Just lazily, he will sing a song. Grasshopper. All day long, he sang songs and wastes his time. Day long, he wastes his time by singing the songs and played in the warm sunshine. And played in the warm sunshine. See, keep your finger. Listen, read. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. He didn't like to work. Full stop. You stop there. Sentence. Next. Keep your finger. All day long, comma is there. Just you stop there. All day long. Reading the lesson is very important, children. Understanding is very important. Understand? You read slowly, but where you have to stop the lesson, where you have to stop at the end of the sentence, when comma is there, how you have to stop. Once you listen, then you will get the pronunciation and reading and all. Okay, see. All day long, he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Who is playing? Grasshopper. What he is doing every day? He is singing the song. He is very lazy. Grasshopper was very lazy and he is singing the songs every day and playing in the sunshine. The sunshine, warm sunshine. That too. Warm means what? Somewhat hot. Okay, warm. Next line. He. There exclamatory mark is there. He. Exclamatory mark is there. See. He. H-E-E, not H-E. He. Look at me. He. Look at me. I'm as happy as I can be. See, this grasshopper was saying, he is calling and saying, look at me. Look at me. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm as happy as I can be. See, it's saying like that. See how it is. See, the grasshopper laughed at the ants as they worked day and night. What this ant is doing? They are working day and night. Day and night. See, the grasshopper was very lazy. While coming to the ants are working day and night. See, opposite. It is lazy, it is working. It's doing hard work. Isn't it? See, grasshopper was lazy and the ants was working hard day and night. They are working hard day and night. See, the grasshopper was laughing at the ants. Laughing means what? This is laugh, isn't it? Laugh, cry, laugh. Cry is opposite to laugh. laughing at the ants. And what this grasshopper was doing is every day singing songs, day and night. The day in the warm sunshine is singing songs and playing. What about the ants? The ants, they're working hard day and night. They're working hard day and night. Okay. See next. Next drawing, see. Keep a finger, children. Keep a finger. See that.